Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. What's up? In today's video we're going to do a Sephora haul. Y'all would have seen in a previous video that I did a Sephora recommendations, but in today's video we're going to do a haul to see what I actually got. So let's get right into it. I haven't even opened the package yet, to be honest, if I'm really being honest. And I've had the package for some time. I didn't go too crazy, but yeah. I put myself on a budget. I was like, no go over please, no go over, no go over. And I didn't, so here we are to see what I got. Oh, it doesn't even have the price. Let's get right into it because, yeah, what the hell is that? I guess I can't remember what I got, but let's start with a small thing. Well, what's on top first? So I got this Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray, Party All Night, Stay All Day. I heard that it sets your makeup and lets it last a long time, but it doesn't make you look extremely matte and dry. You know, your girl got dry skin, so I wanted to test it out. I don't want to buy the big bottle because I really do like my Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray. It snatches the face, it keeps it on, it lasts through carnival. So yeah, but I really wanted to try this one. This is how she looks, to see how it lasts without drying me out too much. So yeah, that's the first thing I got. Then I got a new beauty blender, the black one, of course. I don't know, I feel like the black one works better than everything else. I don't know why. I don't know if it's all in my head, but it also doesn't show makeup stains, like, you know. I also got the Shiseido facial cotton pads things. They're like $5. I was like, why not? And if I'm being honest, it's really also laziness because I'm just like, I'm gonna get stuff that I need to cotton swab. So should I go to Walmart? Do I want to go to Walmart? No, so why not pick them up? So these are 40. They have 5 stars and people swear by them. They said they're super soft. It doesn't peel, like roll up. It doesn't like feel like if you're dragging sanding pad across your face. So I'm really interested in this, even though, you know, it's really out of laziness that I bought it, but yeah. The next small thing that I got is this Sephora reusable sponge case. This was like $8, I think. And I got it really because when I travel, I tend to put my beauty blender inside of a Ziploc bag, if we really being honest. But, you know, we grown, we sophisticated, we bougie. So this is what it really looks like. Let's open it and see. Ah, shit. I cut the wrong, sorry, not these under my hand. So this is what it looks like. And I'm, how the fuck do you use it? Oh, so you open it like so. Then there you go. So I think this would be good. I think Beauty Blender was selling their cases in like a set for $40 or some shit, and I was like $8, $40. Can't go wrong. The next thing that I got is a re-up of my First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Cream Intense Hydration. This is what I use as moisturizer. I swear by this thing. Super, super good. It doesn't burn my skin. It keeps me hydrated. I think I spoke about it already. Nothing too crazy. Then I got the Farmacy Green Clean Makeup Melt Away Cleansing Balm. This, something in here smells good. And it better be not be anything that threw away. Why it smells good. Yo, I swear. But I got this because I had the Clinique cleansing balm, makeup balm, removing balm, whatever it's called, and I'm out of it. I really like the removing balm. It helps remove makeup really good, so I was like, why not? And then I saw that people swore by this one by Farmacy, so I decided to pick it up, and it had really good ratings on there. And it didn't, it basically, I think it was either less than the same price or the same price, around the same price as the other one. But I saw I had a little spatula too, which I really wanted a little spatula, so you dip in it. And I think it's supposed to be green, which was even more intriguing. It doesn't smell like anything crazy. So yeah, that's that for that. Let's put that aside somewhere. And then I got one skincare item, kinda, no, two if I include this. I got something I haven't tried before. It's an OleHenriksen, OleHenriksen, whichever you say, Glow 2 OH Dark Spot Toner. This is what it is. I have dark spots on my cheeks mostly, because that's where I break out. Whenever I'm extremely dry, I'll break out, or when I'm around my time for my period. Otherwise I don't really break out, but it does leave scarring. So why not? This is the best time to do any type of dark spot treatment. Anything is in the winter, winter time. We're in fall, we're going into winter soon, so why not get this done? And this is what it actually looks like, hence the Shiseido cotton pads. See, there's a method to my madness. Then second to last thing that I got is the Sephora Pro Highlight Brush. It is the number 87 brush. I love Sephora brushes. They were also 30%, well, Sephora collection is also 30% off during the sale. Like, I can't complain about that. That's really good. Their little price, I wouldn't say they're pricey. Like, the average prices of brushes, people say they're pricey compared to like Real Techniques and stuff like that, which Real Techniques does sell good brushes, and Morphe. But I really do like the Sephora collection brushes, and this is what the highlight brush look like. How the fuck I get this off now? When I buy this in store, it doesn't come with this on there, but how the hell do you get this off? Do I just pull it? Excuse my language, but how do you get this off? That's not good. Like I literally can't get this off. I don't think I'm supposed to pull it up that way. Yo, this I can't get it off. Like, why can't I get it off? Nah, they bugging. Why the fuck I can't? Sorry. Why can't I get off this? Like, I literally cannot get it off. Like, I don't think I could pull it because it's so narrow here. Got it. Typical Antiguan, well, Caribbean person using their teeth to do shit. But it's so soft. It's so nice. Look at it. Highlight. I know people say highlighting is out of style, but I really do love highlighting, and it is what it is. That's your business if you don't like highlighting, but this thing is really on there. Like, I can see my tooth marks, my little baby teeth. But yeah, nice guard though. I will not throw this out. I will continue to use it. Watch me throw it back in there and I can't get it off again, but whatever. And the very last thing that I got, which is kind of a blind buy, but I kind of saw it on other people's things, is the YSL Libre perfume, and it's, I think, the intense version. It says Le Parfum. Lord, make me like this agent, because people been swearing by it more than they have been the regular Libre perfume. So I'm interested, and I don't know if I've ever said this before, but Black Opium is my favorite perfume. That's from YSL. I've never been disappointed. I also want their, I can't remember, it's Le Paris, Mon Paris. I've smelled that and it's really good as well. Oh, this bottle is cute. What size did I get? Oh, the 1.6 ounce. So this is the bottle. It is very cute. You see my hidden bit. It's very cute, very luxe, like very, very luxe, you know, bougie, bougie. Moment of truth. I'm gonna use it to spray on the bottle, on the box. This smells really nice. I really like this. It's very sexy. I really do like this. No regrets, no regrets. Oh my god, it smells so good. Wow. I slept on this for so long. Like, I've seen people talk about it for so long, and I slept on it, and now I'm like, I should have gotten the 3 ounce bottle and not the 1.6. And I feel like it's so fitting for this time of year. It almost has a similar smell to Giorgio Armani C Intense version, and I have that over there, but it has like a note in it that makes it different. Like, it smells almost a little sweeter than, it's different, but it just gives me something in it is similar that reminds me of C Intense by Giorgio Armani. And I really like this. I intend on doing a perfume collection video soon, but I need to sort out my perfumes. I need to get the ones that I have in Antigua that I've supposed to been brought up since God knows when, but I haven't been able to. And well, it's not that I haven't been able to, I just keep forgetting to actually put them in my bag. And I really do want to bring some staples that I have there, especially the ones that my dad gifted me, because they're just sitting there. So yeah, I want to get those first, so the next time I travel I'll be bringing them back. And yeah, then we can do a perfume collection. But yeah, that is it for my items that I bought. These were 9 items during the sale. And yes, and for those of you who are able to open a Sephora card, and you can manage credit properly, though I wouldn't say go crazy, you do get double the points with the card, and I ended up being VIP Rouge. So yeah, that happened. What I purchased during this sale. So yeah, tell me what you know. Well, tell me what you've gotten or what you like from the Sephora sale, and I'll catch up with you guys in my next video. Thank you for watching. Please share, like, subscribe, and all that good stuff. Tell your granny, auntie, cousin about it. Thank you again for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.